Hey everyone out there, if you got a Chevrolet pickup truck that it's hard to start, 3 or 4 cranks to start it, this is what me and my father found. This is my father right here. We worked on it today and actually put a new fuel pump in it. That was the problem, but the first thing we tried this fuel filter right here. That wasn't the problem. Then we tried this fuel pressure regulator. That wasn't a problem. It actually ended up changing out this fuel pump, and the new one came with a different plug, so we had to change the plug on it, which the color codes matched up perfectly. We soldered the connections together, and
we also found the relay was in backwards.
Oh yeah, this relay right here. Relay right here was in backwards. We had to change that, turn that around. Oh man, this is a new pressure regulator, and this is what you want right here. You want at least 50 pounds of pressure when it's off.
So what you were having before was when you turn your key on, you would only get like 3 or 4 pounds on your gauge, and when you start it up, you get pressure. You had to turn it over a lot before your pressure level come up. And when it finally came out, when you cut the truck off, it go down to 0.
Yeah. As soon as you cut the truck off, it go down to like almost 0. And that was the fuel pump. I guess
it's easy to take your body off the truck.
Yeah, we took the bed off the truck, and it was like 18 millimeter bolts holding the body on. It was like 2 right here, 2 right here, 2 right here, 2 right here. Then you had
same thing on the other side.
Then you had to take these bolts loose right here around the fuel filter.
Take the ground wires off.
And there's 1 ground wire back here.
And you got to unhook your wires in the back.
Yeah, it was 2 plugs back there by the trailer hitch. You got to unplug.
You either got to have 8 guys pick your body up or have a tractor.
Yep, that's what we did. We used a tractor, and we put chokers in right here on each corner, and pulled it off. And put the fuel pump in. That was after we got the bed off, it was fine after that. Hardest part is getting the bed off.
Make sure you get the right pump. Carry the pump with you.
Yeah, definitely make sure you get the right pump. And
they got so many models like that. It's very easy to get the wrong pump. You got to do a lot of modifications if you get the wrong pump.
Yep. But let me crank it up, Dad, and see, first should crank up first go round.
Show him what the gauge does when you turn the key.
All right.
He don't key in.
All right, there you go. Yeah. It's a black one.
I know. Alright, key's on.
All right. One crank. All right. I hope this helps anybody out there. Good luck.